I combined eggs and peaches, and it tastes delicious. In a blender, add 450 grams of peaches and 3 eggs. Also, add 1½ cups of sugar, half a cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and mix well. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. We'd love to know. And guys, this recipe is the perfect option for your breakfast or afternoon snack. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Put the mixture in a blender. Then add 2½ cups of flour and whip it. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love peaches. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix lightly. Now, pour the mixture in a baking pan greased with butter and dusted with sugar. Put it in the oven preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.